Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E32s, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this Motorola. First of all, go into Settings. Now tap on Notifications and then select App Settings at the top. Finally, you can click on Most Recent and select the best option for you, in my case, Most Frequent. Now just tap on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications, like Chrome. You can switch them back on by tapping on the same, now grey one. If you want to, you can always just click on one of your apps over here and then manage all notifications by tapping on this switcher next to all Chrome notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!